Hey everybody, Brickman91 here, and today we're going to be putting a set together out of my old collection. It's going to be set 6900 or 6999, and it's the UFO. Went through and got all the parts together, so this thing is all ready to be put together. So we're going to go ahead and do a speed build, and we'll review it at the end of this thing. So I hope you guys enjoy this build, and we'll see you at the end. Alright guys, here is the flying saucer all put together. And I forgot the minifigure. Here he is. I couldn't find his helmet, but here he is, complete besides the helmet. Everything else is here as well. So you can see we've got a couple little lasers on here, a couple cannons. There we go, right there. A couple little dishes on here to pick up whatever kind of instrumentation they might have on board. And we got these as well, with little reflector stickers in there still. And we've got antennas all the way around, the green, lime green antennas. And this whole thing spins, which is pretty cool. Underside, you got the 4 legs there for landing. And then the little safe there with the little electronic chip dealio in there. So, kind of cool. And then this opens up for the pilot. Should fit in there, no problem. Plenty of room. Boom, just like so. Alright. Yeah guys, hope you guys enjoyed this build. Kind of a different build for you today. Yeah, the whole thing is complete. All the pieces are there. So, yeah, hope you guys really enjoyed this one. And we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.